Again, different setting though. I'm trying now cinematic.
Hey guys, this is part 2 now.
Part 3 actually. Go.
Oh yeah, part 3. Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna.
We're gonna go. I'm gonna you follow me. Let's see where this path goes. Just watch out the rut. This will probably go around, Sebastian. I don't know though. I'm gonna find out. You behind me? Come past me. You got to go past me. Get in front. It's better when you're in front so we can talk. Also, I'm trying to get some action shots of you and just watch out for ruts and things like that. That's all. I think we can go all the way around. Let's see. Do a circle. It's actually pretty smooth, isn't it? There's a few branches in the way. Watch out that little rut there. You'll wind up in the water. Watch this situation here. You got a jogger coming too, Bastian, so let's go around quick. Go. Watch the dogs though, don't hit them. They're going crazy, they're having a good time. Oh, looks like little Lily, yeah? Yeah, take a right. Go right. Oh, what's over there? I don't know. That just takes us back to the parking lot, probably. On the main street back home? We can. I think it's bike path all the way. Let's see. I'm not positive. Watch out for cars here. Take a right. I think. Honestly, Bash, I don't know where we are exactly. We're close to where we get the car inspected, so we can probably go along this way for a while and then turn left. The church probably is up ahead here somewhere, the new church. Watch the mud. Oh, I'm back. We got to turn left sooner or later and get on the main road. Let's see what's up ahead though. We got a bit better surface now. I think we're close to where we get the car inspected, but I'm not positive. It's just kind of rough, bumpy. We're going to end up going out, bashing back where along that road close to the traffic circle on the way to Krumachus, remember? Because we're in behind the church, I think. But I don't see the church through the Look at this place. It's pretty cool. Sebastian, that's quite a nice house, isn't it? What's going on there? Sebastian, there's alpaca in that field, I think. Your Uncle Blake used to have alpaca for the wool. The wool is very soft, and it resists water really well. If we go this way, I think we'll go back towards Kobylka. You want to? To the right? We're going to probably meet that road, but I'm not positive. We'll see. See, kind of pretty back here. Maybe get a drink at Jopka. What do you think? You thirsty? Maybe we're gonna see a wild boar. This is where we walked with these people. Do you remember? We came here and the guy was shooting a little gun, a BB gun. This, I think, goes all the way to the back to Jopka over there, basically. Remember, like that. The little rotary that turned the traffic circle near the overpass, I believe. You can actually take a car through here if we had to. Do you know how to shift your gears, Seba? The higher the number, the faster the bike goes, but it's harder to pedal. I'm on 7 right now, which is pretty comfortable for flat, just kind of going slow like this. You happy about going to school tomorrow or not too much? What classes do you have tomorrow? What subjects? You have English?
Yeah.
On Mondays? You like English or not too much? It's pretty easy for you, yeah? Oh, look, here's the road already.
Already?
Yeah, we're back to Jopka, basically.
Where's Jopka?
The Jopka close to the train station, to the Kobylka also. Remember? That was quick. I think we have to take a left. We'll go to that Jopka. Yeah, look where we are. Look, there it is, straight ahead.